Now let's add a little bit more lighting effects to this. What we're going to do is, we have our white layer selected as you see here. What we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to filter. Let's go to blur. Let's hit Gaussian blur like so. Let's do it by, let's say we'll do it by 5. That looks alright. We'll go ahead and hit OK on that one. And now we're going to take the layer mode and change it. So come up here to your layer and let's do overlay. There we go. Let's hit Command D to deselect that. And as you can see here, we've already got a nice chrome effect going on right now. So now what we're going to do is let's create a new layer. So let's grab our chrome layer that we have here. Let's just drag it down into our new layer palette. Oh, let's grab it now. Having problems here. Just grab it, drag it down to our new layer. There we go. We've created a copy now. Now let's select everything in it. So let's hold down Command. There we go. Now we've selected all of our text in it. What we'll do is we'll pause here and come back to this in the next part.